Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LangChain with Make.com for AI RAG pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect LangChain with Make.com for AI RAG pipelines, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll create a new scenario. Click on the Create a New Scenario button to start the process. In the pop-up window, select the modules you want to use. Search for and select the LangChain module from the list. Once you've added LangChain, configure the settings by entering your API key. Next, set up the input parameters required for your pipeline. You can customize the parameters based on your specific use case. Now, proceed to add the next module in your scenario. Search for the data source you want to connect with LangChain. Select the appropriate module based on your requirement, such as a data storage or API service. Connect this module to LangChain by dragging the line that appears between them. After connecting the modules, configure the data source settings. Ensure that you specify the output format expected by LangChain. Next, add any additional modules you need to enhance the pipeline. These could include data transformation, filtering, or notification modules. Once all modules are linked, review the entire scenario to ensure everything is set up correctly. Test the scenario to check the integration between LangChain and your chosen data source. Monitor the output to verify that the data flows as expected. Make adjustments if necessary to refine the workflow. After confirming the setup, save and name your scenario for future reference. You're now ready to run your pipeline and leverage the AI capabilities of LangChain with Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.